Hey everyone, so we're going to continue on with the third method of the acceptability problems. So this method is used when the menu item prepared runs out and is substituted with a different food item. So I'll write the formulas up here. So the first part to it is your portions prepared divided by your first head count, so HC1, so that's your first product. And then the second part to it is your portions prepared minus your leftovers. Divide this by your second head count, so HC2 minus your first head count, so HC1. So this is going to be your second product. So this question says CS3 Patillo made 1,234 portions of green beans. At 11:25, he ran out and replaced them with 160 portions of mixed vegetables. 1,300 personnel had gone through the line at that time. At the end of the meal, there were 3 portions of mixed vegetables left over, and the actual number of personnel fed was 1,456. What is the acceptability of the mixed vegetables? So you guys gotta make sure you read through the whole question, because right now it's only asking for one acceptability, which is your mixed vegetables, which is a second product, not both acceptabilities. So again, it only asks for the acceptability for mixed vegetables, so we're only going to do this second part. So your portions prepared for your mixed vegetables was 160 portions. So 160 minus your leftovers. So at the end of the meal, there were 3 portions left over of mixed vegetables. So minus 3. And the actual number of personnel fed was 1,456. So that's your second head count. So 1,456 minus your first head count, which is right here. So 1,300 personnel had gone through the line at that time. So 1,300. So you gotta subtract these two first at the top. So that's gonna be 157, and then divided by these two subtracted. So 1,456 minus 1,300, which equals 156. So you divide those two, so 157 divided by 156. So that equals 1.006. So again, we're only going to use it to the hundredths place, which is these two numbers. So if this third number is 4 or below, these two numbers stay the same. But if it's 5 or above, then you round up. So in this case, of course, it's above 5, so we round up to 0.01. So it's 1.01. So again, acceptability is always going to be a percentage. So you have to multiply this by 100. And that's going to equal to 101%. So that is your final answer, because this question asks for just the acceptability for mixed vegetables and not your green beans. So you gotta make sure you read the full questions before you start to prevent any extra work.